Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing Sorelle Tanning Drops. So as you can see right here, we have it here on Amazon. And basically, this is a drop that you ingest or drink that's supposed to help you with your tanning. So I couldn't find a lot of information about this tanning drop since this is the first time I've heard of it. And basically, if it works, why isn't it more popular? And if you actually go on down here, they only have one review, which is actually 1 star out of 5. So that's pretty funny. There are no comments, just a 1 star review rating. So I actually found it here on Malware Tips. So they claim that Sorelle claims that there are no orange stones or streaks, natural glow from within, safe, effective, long-lasting, no need for tanning beds and exposure, 86,000 plus happy customers, and a lot more. So how can you get a tan just by drinking something? So they actually explain the science of tanning. So real tanning occurs when UV rays trigger melanocytes or in your skin, I don't know how to pronounce that, to produce melanin. This is your body's way of protecting itself from sun damage. Drinking vitamins like beta-carotene L may support healthy skin, but can they actually tan you? So in short, they cannot. So you still need to bathe or expose your skin to the UV rays of the sun. So as you can see, there are red flags what you should know before buying. So they have lack of scientific backing, no DHA. DHA is the only FDA-approved ingredient for self-tanning, and it works when applied topically. Sorelle doesn't contain DHA, nor is it safe to ingest. So ingesting a product like this is one of the red flags, since how would your skin get tan if you drink something, right? Basically, if a product like this should be applied on your skin. So no transparent contact info and vague testimonials and stock images. So 30-day return policy caveat and a lot more. So they offer better alternative for a safe tan, tanning beds, bronzing serums, gradual tan moisturizers, moderate sun exposure plus SPF, and a lot more. So basically, this product is not entirely. I'm not saying that this is a scam. However, it is very shady, and they have the characteristics of a scam. So yeah, that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.